So I had forgotten that it was the morning for the towel animal takeover. And imagine my surprise when I'm on my morning walk and there they all are. So I just wanted to share this with you. Alright, well here we are in Amber Cove, Puerto Plata. And we are just going to get off the ship for a little bit. Maybe do a little bit of shopping again.
It's beautiful so far.
The weather's gorgeous. It's way nicer than the last time we were here, which all rained.
It was still beautiful, but
yeah.
It rained.
So now we're gonna well, check some things out. It's not as humid or rainy.
One kiss.
Oh, it's nice.
It was nice. All right. Well, we'll do a little walk around to the port and see what else we can do. So.
Get in some trouble.
All right. We'll check in with you soon. So we've just stepped into the cruise terminal here at Amber Cove. To the right is where we'll focus most of our attention in the pool area, the water slides, and the swim-up bar and so on. To the left is the shopping. I think most of you are probably pretty familiar with the standard shopping options at these Carnival cruise terminals. So coming up here to the right, you'll begin to make out the roofs of these buildings over the top of the bushes. Those are the ocean cabanas, the overwater cabanas that you can rent through Carnival as an excursion. They're a little pricey, but I think they could be a lot of fun with the right group. So here's the pool and the swim-up bar. Now, we never took advantage of the pool or the bar, but the drinks, while they were probably pricey, by the size of them, you wouldn't need very many of them to have a good day. Lots of lively music, lots of chairs. You can pay extra to get an umbrella. All in all, kind of a cool area. So here's a cute little kids area. And again, we were cruising in September, so not a lot of kids taking advantage of that area this time. So here's a zero entry pool area at one end, the far end away from the bar. And then you can see the water slide over here. And then behind the water slide is the hillside cabanas, much like the ocean cabanas. They're a little pricey, but with a group they could be very much worth it. So kind of in between the water park, if you want to call it, and the shopping area, directly across from the entrance is this little nature walk area where for a few brief minutes you might feel like you're in the rainforests of the Dominican Republic, but really you're about 20 feet from shopping and pools. So it was a nice little kind of getaway area, and actually several degrees cooler here in the shade than out in the sun. But it was just kind of a fun little spot to stop. So we're headed back to the boat after our adventure-filled few hours in Amber Cove, and we hot and tired. It got so hot that Melissa almost had some like heat exhaustion or something going on.
Yeah. Doing better now.
And then we were doing some shopping. Left my wallet on the counter in a store. Had to go back in, and they actually chased us down.
Thank goodness.
So we decided maybe it was time to go back on the boat. So, yeah, things got exciting. We're headed back, get a little nap, maybe do some sort of adventures around the boat this afternoon.
Then we got one more sea day tomorrow.
And then
Back home.
Back home. So, well, catch you in a little while. All right, so we are cleaned up. We've rested up from our mini adventure on the in the port. You can hear everybody's coming back to the boat. The music down there. They're welcoming everyone back to the ship. So we're gonna go have some dinner. We're eating at La Cucina tonight. And that's about it for today. Eat there, maybe see, would spend a little time with Lady Luck tonight. See if the dice are friendly, or the buttons are friendly. And then I'll meet up with some friends that we made on board the ship, and then off to bed. Tomorrow's our sea day. It's our last day, and then we'll get off the next. So it's been a great trip so far. We still got a little time left, so we're gonna enjoy it, and we'll check in with you later. Yeah, like margarita with the monster. And here's the creator here, Billy. Billy created the Cadillac Monster.
That's it, the Cadillac Monster Margarita.
The Cadillac Monster Margarita.
No, I like the amaretto.
Yeah. I feel like Melissa's so far.
I feel very far away.
It's hard to explain, but the tables seem very long.
They should be turned the other way.
So here we are trying to have a romantic dinner, and I feel farther from my wife than I've ever felt before.
I don't know. Can you reach my hands?
So it's all good because we might be far apart in distance, but we are close. She doesn't like my puns, but she's beautiful, so it's okay.
I'm looking at the menu while you're trying to video.
Hey, would you like this video? Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future updates. We love making these videos. We're having a great time on the water, and well, we wish you were here. So thanks for subscribing. Hey guys, so it's time for one last lunch at Guy's Burgers. I'm gonna have fun with this one. So the saddest moment of every cruise has arrived. We're still looking outside at beautiful seas, and yet
We have to start packing.
we have to start packing.
I mean, I guess we could wait till later, but that's not a good idea.
No. So
We have
anyway,
a good view.
we're gonna get to packing with a beautiful view, and we'll check in with you guys later. Hey everyone, I don't know if you can see off in the distance, but way off in the distance, we're about 20 miles off the coast of Cuba. I'm gonna get some footage with it zoomed in a little bit, but I thought you would enjoy sitting out here, relaxing on our last sea day, and well, off in the distance there we realized we could see the mountains, and I don't know what else, I don't know exactly where we are, but the captain came on earlier and said it was Cuba, so very fun. So I hope you're having a good day. we're out here on our last night, and we just wanted to have a little toast to us in 30 years. And oh, here's to 30 more, baby.
Yes. And also to Nicole Azzaro for the wonderful gifts you bestowed upon us on our cruise and for celebrating with us.
Yeah. So if you're looking for a travel agent, she's awesome.
Yes.
And she'll help you out a lot. She takes great care of us, and I know she'll do the same for you guys. So anyway, have a great time, and we'll see you guys later.
Cheers.
All right, we'll see you.